Hi everyone, I'm Sonalika and I'm very much excited to share that I have been selected as a cloud engineer in Vyapar. I would share my experience like this, that I had an experience of 1 year in IT based company, but the thing is I was not upskilled that much what the careers need, what the company needs. Though I had very much interested in cloud technology, so I was thinking that I will enhance my skill, how I'll be looking at how the company wanted. Then that's the time when I got to know about Paperlive Learning, and I joined Paperlive Learning, and the true journey of mine started. So I'll add some more points like this, that when I started from the day first, I got a practical knowledge, industry based knowledge, what the real world company needs, that knowledge about not just about the papers and pen things, it's just about the slides, it's just about the real lab thing, the industry based scenario, real world scenario, Linux, automations, uh, AWS services. Based on every scenarios, they will take a clarity, they will give us a clarity, they will make us improve in every bit of thing that we wanted, where we are lacking, where we having the doubts, they will clear that day only, that the next topic when we'll start, we don't have any issues on that. About the mock interviews, that is very much important in day-to-day life basis. Interviews, I had 5 to 6 mock interviews in hand, in industrial, basically on the industrial based, and by that I got much more confidence. I had my communication skill built more efficiently. I was pinpoint in everything where I'm lacking, and after that mock interviews, I get the feedbacks from the uh, people, from the team, what I'm lacking of, where I'm getting nervous, and that helped me. Today I got placed as a cloud engineer, and I'm very much thankful to the team of Paperlive Learning. And I'll say that if you all wanted to enhance your skills, and you wanted to learn something more about and what the today industry, IT industry need, if you want, you can join Paperlive Learning. You can learn their DevOps, cloud engineering, and much more training is there. And thank you.